Hey guys, welcome back to RJ and the Fam. Today I have my oldest son with me, Caden.
Yeah.
You gonna say hey?
Hey.
And I have my youngest son with me making his YouTube debut, Kingston. You gonna tell him hey? Okay. I have the wife behind the camera today filming for us. So we have the whole family here with us to do this review. Now this one's special because I just subscribed to this box and I'm really excited about it. It is called My Geek Box. Alright, so bring the box out.
Okay. This is it.
This is My Geek Box. It's a subscription-based monthly box you could get. We've never got one. We decided to really get one to see how the kids would like it, you know. And
because first we did the Kiwi code, and I never heard of this one before.
Yeah, only monthly box we get so far is Kiwi code, but I think I'm gonna do a lot more because I like them a lot. So
yeah.
You looking for the box under there?
No.
Okay. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It says My Geek Box on the front. And it has their social media stuff on the side. Just your average box. So let's get started. We're going to take things out, but I don't want to look inside first. I just want to be surprised, okay?
Right, so
you ready?
show the figures. Oh, wait.
Alright, I'm going to show y'all first.
Can you get it? There you go.
Alright, so you can see this is what the box looks like. We don't know yet. We haven't seen it. And we're just going to go in one by one. Alright, so I'm going to get, this looks like a big one. I'm going to get this one first, whatever this is.
Oh,
alright.
Okay.
Put this aside. Actually, I'm going to put this over here.
Yeah.
Alright. So, this is
Iron Man.
a Iron Man. And it's made by Eekees. I think that's how you pronounce that. Eekees.
Is it like a bobber head?
Do you like that Iron Man? It's cool because it looks wooden. It looks like it's carved and
It probably is.
yeah, so this is super cool. Let's take it out and look at it.
Alright, so
Put the box aside. Or actually, we'll leave the box right here.
You got black. It's my black man.
So it feels like...
It feels like wood.
No, it kind of feels like...
That's nice.
I don't know what it feels like. What do you think that is?
I know it's not a bobber head.
It's almost like
Ceramic?
no.
It's not wood.
It's a plastic, I think, but it's
Like a hard plastic.
I think it's like
You want to
wood.
see them?
I think it's
Is that
wood.
cool? Do you like that?
I think
Who is that?
Spider-Man.
It's not Spider-Man.
This is Spider-Man.
That's Iron Man. Yeah. Have you held him yet?
No.
Here, let Bubby hold him. So it has different ones you can collect. They all look really cool. Again, the quality on this is just really, really cool. So that's the first one. We'll set that aside.
I think it's wood with I think it's wood but covered in plastic. It's probably like that.
Alright, next, I'm going to let Caden choose. So stick your hand in there and just choose one without looking.
I think they're all in bubble wrap. So
Yeah. Alright.
We have
Oh,
another
another.
one.
Yeah. Awesome. So we have two of these.
this is
That one is
Widow.
Black Widow. And
I'm gonna get Black Panther.
maybe. So this one's Black Widow. Let's take her out too. These are really cool. I like these a lot.
Yeah.
Let's put this box over there. Alright.
there you go.
So this is really good detail. We'll do some close-up shots of it. This one is Black Widow. You like that one? You like that one?
I was gonna get a Black Panther one because it
Alright.
might be pretty cool. I like that.
Let's see what else is there. Go and put that one back.
This is my mommy.
Next is... feels like a t-shirt. We'll maybe do a t-shirt last.
Yeah,
Is
like
a
A D&D.
Green Lantern graphic novel. Whoa, that is super cool. Wow, actually, I love Green Lantern. I don't know why. It's just one of my favorite DC characters. One of my favorites.
I like
You like that?
Well, one of your
All right, so Kingston wants to talk about the Black Widow. Go ahead. It's your show now.
Silence.
Go ahead. What's up? You gonna tell everybody about the Black Widow?
Mommy.
I've actually never had a graphic novel before. And I guess this is volume 15, Green Lantern Secret Origin. And it was published in 2008. I'm just reading this from the back. I don't just know this. And it is super, super cool. Wow, you see that?
It's like a comic book, but like a big.
Yeah, I'm gonna read this tonight for sure. This is just, as you can see, a lot of the artwork is awesome. The detail between it, the colors are really cool. That is a really cool find in here. So, and I think it just goes through the origins.
Okay. Okay.
Something weird?
He does have a Pokemon card.
I love the smell of new books and new cards. I wish I could have like a candle that smelled like this. I don't know what it is.
That and a bacon candle.
Bacon, yes.
Or pizza.
But just a new book smell, like a cologne like this. So I'm super excited for this. This is really, really cool. So there's that. All right, last one. All right, let's look inside. And that's all it's in. There's nothing else in the box. We'll put this to the side. Is a t-shirt. So, all right, right off the bat, it's black, which is cool. I love black t-shirts. Feels pretty soft. Feel it. Does it feel good? Does it feel good?
Feels like my
All right. All right. And let's open it up. Let y'all see first. It is.
Oh, somebody's gonna like that.
What does it say?
Drastic apart.
What, you keep moving it, so I'm not sure.
Run.
Run.
It says run. Okay, yeah. It says run. All right.
In the last movie, isn't that what they said? Like, if you see a dinosaur, something's chasing you, run.
Yeah. So this is everything that came in the box. You have the official Jurassic Park T-shirt. The tag that makes it official, authenticity of it, I guess. The Green Lantern graphic novel and 2 of the E-keys, I think is how I pronounce it. And again, the detail on these are awesome. I love the Iron Man one's my favorite. Black Widow looks pretty cool too. But
I want that one.
yeah, Black Widow is Kingston's favorite too. So that's everything that came in a box. And overall, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so what'd you think? So Kingston actually bailed on us. He wanted to sip on his juice and watch his TV show. But anyway, so what did you think of this month's My Geek Box?
This is pretty cool. I liked it. It's I'm not sure it's just like Avengers and this one. If like the whole entire company makes Avengers or.
Yeah, there was 2 Avengers thing. There was a Green Lantern, so it was like a Marvel, a DC, but then Jurassic World and Jurassic Park too. So that was pretty cool.
So it's basically like movies.
Yeah.
It's like a movie.
Or comic books, yeah. That's what All Things Geek, that's what they send. So that's why I like these. So I can't wait till next month's box. So that's it for today. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And what else should they do?
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell and give it a like.
He knows it all, dude. Alright. We'll see you next time.